going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having an awesome day. I have some bad news, or relatively bad news. I think I really screwed up on this one. So, yeah, I ran over a can of spray paint with the S2000, and as you see, that's very unsightly. And here's actually my S2000. Tire is done for. I mean, it was already done for, but I know this is like sketchy as heck. And then you have, of course, all the paint in there. Mind you, this happened this morning, and as you guys already seen, I took maybe, I don't know, like a week taking my time to buff and polish this car out, and then literally like a week and a half later, this ends up happening. So yeah, that is very unfortunate. It happened this morning. I was just indecisive if I wanted to take the S2000 or take the SI. I didn't really want to take the hatch, and then I was like, okay, let me go ahead and take the S2000, and I didn't realize that I kind of left the can of paint slightly in the way, and so when I ran over it, I hopped out because all I heard was like metal scraping. I'm like, holy smokes, I think the wheel just fell off or something, or like the diff blew up or something weird. But the last thing I was expecting was to see the can of paint just burst everywhere. I was like, wow. And then you can see how this thing even spread all the way to the SI. Wow, this thing really had some collateral damage. But luckily here is just a couple spots. I'm sure with the pressure washer, I'm not too worried about the tires here, because I'm sure maybe the pressure washer can take that off. I'm more concerned about the actual paint, because especially on the S2000, because I worked rather hard to get that paint to where it's at, just for this to happen. Sucks so much. And then you can see the undercarriage is like, wow, that thing is just took all the hit as well. But I mean, it could have been worse. It just sucks. So I got on Facebook, made a post, and see what everybody says, and hopefully this will get resorted rather quickly, because I don't want to wait any longer. So I'll update you guys. Update, guys. Pressure washed all the paint, or most of the paint, away, and we got the paint situation for the most part taken care of. Let's see here. For the most part, it's taken care of. I didn't worry too much about the undercarriage because you barely see it, and somebody mentioned that it's just extra protection, so I'm like, yeah, sure, I just take it as extra protection. But all of the main stuff that you can see is it's all taken care of. So happy that was able to be taken care of relatively quick. Thank you to Facebook and everybody else who chimed in. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have an awesome day.
Tell me what to